This is Little Joe, and welcome to Know How It Goes, a Napa Service Assistant Auto Care Knowledge series presented by LexBrodies University. Episode 1, Disc Brakes.
Hey, you don't need me to tell you how important your brakes are. Having good brakes just keeps you out of trouble, so carefully maintaining your brakes is the key. With disc brakes, brake pads rub on a disc or rotor to slow the wheels. The pads are attached to a caliper that squeezes them against the rotor. It's kind of like how squeezing the handbrake on a bicycle pushes the brake pads against the wheel of the bike. Now, pads just wear away with use, kind of like how a pencil eraser wears out. But the good news is that replacing brake pads is a straightforward repair. If you hear squealing or grinding when you use the brakes, have your service advisor check them out. He'll have a technician perform a thorough brake inspection to see what needs to be done. He'll check for signs of brake problems and go over other brake components to see that they're working properly. And he can tell you if it's time to replace the pads or if there are other issues with your brakes that should be addressed. Some people ignore the warning signs and keep driving long after the pads are completely worn out. But when that happens, metal brake components will grind on the rotor, damaging it enough that it needs to be resurfaced or replaced. The rotors can also warp or crack, in which case they'll need to be replaced. Brake calipers also wear out over time. They can develop leaks, or the caliper pistons can freeze open or closed. Either way, it's not good. And when this happens, it's time to replace the calipers. A thorough brake inspection will reveal worn bearings or seals as well. The new pads we put on your vehicle will restore your brakes to manufacturer specifications. Or we can install upgraded parts to increase your power to stop and reduce brake noise and brake dust. We have several options to meet your braking requirements and your budget. So taking care of your brakes keeps them working safely, and you could prevent premature brake repairs down the road.
Thanks for watching. LexBrodies is here for you and all your auto service and repair needs. And as always, thank you very much.